Hey, my people. Regina Daniel raise up her hand, slap her husband fifth wife Leila because of say lady go sleep Leila room. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of you that will don't know Regina Daniel na Lollywood actress. When we say she dey act movie, she don dey act for a long time. She don dey act right from childhood. Her mother herself na actress. So she can't get married to lady one old man like that. And her boyfriend before na Samadila. So Samadila and Regina life had a friend before her mama confused her, make she marry Led. But Led now, he marry her because say he get money, not because of love. But she thought say she love Led, like make her marry her. Say mama no force her. Say she just marry her like that. Her mind be say, as she marry Led so, only her room like Led go to sleep. Say because the rest don't get children. Say Led don't see no sort tired. Be say like she be the new package. So na her room like Led go to sleep all the time. So e no come be like that since when she don born now. Led no dey too dey give her attention like before. Led come dey share the attention wey be say she dey give am. She come dey now the time wey be say Led dey come go sleep Leila room, Regina Daniel come dey jealous say that week na she like Led is supposed to use her for, why Led go share her with Leila. Say at least if he get 5 days in a week, Leila suppose get 2 days in a week. Like Led say no be like that oh. Say you need to share am equal. Like Leila say no, Regina, no be like that be something. Say you can't meet her for a year and you don't born the way she born. Say they need to Led need to dey come in her own room, come dey sleep also. So Regina Daniel come dey vex say why Led go dey go Leila room go dey sleep. Say most she suppose dey spend at least if she sleep for Leila room like 2 times a week, make she dey use the rest sleep for her. Like Leila come to say okay, the rest wife, how dem continue dey do them? If she take 2 days and Regina Daniel take like 5 days in a week, like when therefore they talk like that, when we say when Leila dey correct her say no do like that, no be so they take dey be. Like Regina Daniel slap Leila, no be small thing o. She thought say she think say because say she be young girl, say she go feel oppressed the senior one wey dem dey house. She no expect her say Leila go slap her back. Like Leila boss am, correct her say no try that kind thing with me. How only you wan occupy space? Like she first dey here before you come. Like she suppose talk say me Lady no dey come your room again. Now you come dey complain say Lady dey sleep in your room, you no dey sleep in your own room too much. Say like you suppose get 5 days in a week, make the rest 2 days, make she share her with the rest wife. If only you carry 5 days in a week, wetin the rest wife go come take? Say e no possible. E no possible. Regina Daniel, you can't be there for a year. You know come talk say you dey young. Say if you need that thing, why you no come stay with your ex-boyfriend wey be say you no come marry old man? You know say your ex-boyfriend I go fit certify you like that. If you know say you need that kind certify, maybe say the man dey do am well for you, wey be say go just dey your room. You no go share the room with another person. Wey be say you no need to go another person room go do it. For stay with somebody that is not make you come marry her own husband. Like Regina Daniel say no be your own husband. No, you your Leila, you collect her for person hand. Say like make it call. Like Leila say tell her say another person self dey your back dey come, wey be say you go dey talk say make dem no sleep your room. Then you go come know how e dey be for body. Wey be say you dey fight, wetin be say no be your own, you dey fight put. My people, wetin be reason for this matter be say Regina Daniel, you come meet Leila for there. You no go fit talk say make Led no go sleep Leila room, make dey only sleep your, make dey come your place for 5 days in a week, make dey sleep Leila place only 2 times in a week. Na Leila correct you say the rest wife wey come if you sleep your 2 times in a week, the rest wife who come I go take do them. Those you go just abandon those one for there. E no possible. If you sleep 1 day, since maybe say Lady get 7 wife like that dey talk plus Chika Ike. So like you need to dey do am one by one around. If it be say weekend like go come reach your own turn, you go stay like that because no be person tell you before you, no be person push you enter. You say that love, now you tell enter, so no be your mama push you. So anything wey you use your eye see, you no need to dey rush, dey raise up your hand, dey slap Layla. You think say Layla no go slap you back? Say Layla na fool, you go dey. E no make sense like Regina. Only you no go just fit us say okay, let you go dey sleep your room. You no go dey sleep Layla room. You go dey sleep your own room for five days in a week because like you be the youngest wife. So you be the youngest wife, na only you go to do the thing. No, if you know say you want me lady dey do you every day, you want to see lady by your side every day. Okay, like me say hey, you no go fit do that only if you marry Sabadila. Like Sabadila fit dey sleep your room always. So me say everything you fit dey get am clear. But for that lady, e no possible. Because lady get many wife wey be say lady need to certify. No be only you lady go dey certify. If you know say you know lady, you know if he certify you, say you want me to sleep your room 5 times in a week, and you no gree sleep. Like me say you go find young boy because na only young boy life go fit do like that. Because the rest wife wey you want me keep there, wetin we want me all those one do? You want me stomach pain kill all those one? So Regina, you need to chill. You can't meet people for them. All those one wey dey talk same like 5 days in a week. That one like your own talk, they talk. Then you need to go to the rest women rooms. Also go sleep there. May still show love to them. Not be only you like they show love and care to. It's not possible. The rest people too, they need lady. They did there before you. Who tell you say they don't need lady? They did there before you. So by people, let me know what I think for the comment section. I would like to end the video for here. And if you never subscribe, may you subscribe so you don't go miss any celebrities just where they upload. May I take it till I come on our way next time. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.